The whole idea is that we have lots of people who want to do something for Art of Living, for Gurudev, and especially in the field of software. So I guess if you're already on this Zoom meeting, you probably have filled a very elaborate form asking for your skills, asking for how much hours a week or hours a day that you can spend. Every one of us has different skills and different capacities, and there's something for everyone to do. One of the biggest things in any software is to test. And if we have people who don't know how to use software testing the software, then that is the best test that it can ever go through. So don't think if you don't have, especially if you answered, I don't have any skills with respect to computer, then I will highly value your input into this project. Because a lot of times people who think software think in a certain way, and people who don't understand software think in a different way. And usually people who are coding think in particular ways and can't imagine things going wrong. How can someone do this? Is probably what every child has sent to his or her mother. Mom, come on, this is how you should use this phone. How can you not know this? So यहाँ पर अद्वैत चलता है, शिव की भूमि है, और हर शेप और साइज अलाउड है. At the same time, there is a difference in group working and there's a difference in team working. Whenever we are working in a group, everyone wants to do the same thing. But when we work in a team, everyone knows their strengths and weaknesses and works to their strength. फुटबॉल खेलते वक्त यदि जो डिफेंस पोजीशन में है वो आगे आके गोल करना ट्राई करेगा, तो फिर डिफेंस की धज्जियां उड़ जाएंगी. सो अगर मंदिर में जो स्टेप्स का पत्थर है वो कहे, अरे जो मूर्ति बनी है वो पत्थर ज्यादा अच्छी है, मैं तो यहाँ पर मेरे ऊपर सब चल के जाते हैं और उस पत्थर को सब पूछते हैं, तो दोनों का अपना अपना जगह है और दोनों कुछ काम कर रहे हैं और दोनों के बिना नहीं चल सकता. तो इस तरह से don't expect everyone to do everything. At the same time, it's great if we can work to our skills. So what are we looking at? Creating an open source project is often much more challenging than creating something with a team that has a hierarchy. So ideally, I would see this whole team coming up with solutions for things that typically are challenges that people face on the spiritual path, so to speak. What can we do in a certain way which can help everyone? And to be able to do this, we are uniquely placed because we are part of the whole community. At the same time, we also have some understanding of software. So over the next month or so, I'd like to talk to each person individually to understand what it is that our capabilities, strengths, maybe there are some things that we could learn. And I've created a GitHub repository for those who understand GitHub. And for the coding part, so we'll create two kinds of teams. One is the coders, those who have experience in coding, and the others are the testers. And some of us can be on both teams, but ideally I would like the testers to be completely insulated from the code so that you can test with a completely neutral idea. Do you get what I'm saying? कई बार हम कुछ बनाते हैं तो उसमें खामियां निकालने हमको मन भी नहीं करता, और कहीं ना कहीं मन ऐसा है कि वो अनदेखा कर देता है. So let's create this kind of first kind of set of teams. One set of teams that's more focused on coding, another set of team that is more focused on testing. I would also love to for us to come up with what are the use cases that we need to solve. Many of us are on the ground, we are teaching, we are doing seva activities. Maybe we have a wonderful idea that we think will help everyone. Ideally, I would like this team to take up not huge monolith projects, but small things, microservices, something that we can deliver, and something that's modular, that can take care of something and do it well. So somehow I'm a lot in favor of this Linux, small things that do things well philosophy, rather than going the monolith way and saying, let's do one system that takes care of everything. So I like to code like this, and it's perfect. It's not the only way to code, I agree. There are also ways in which we can leverage existing systems. Maybe someone says, hey, you can do this much better using this system. Perfectly fine. Third thing, this whole process is a process of karmanyevadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachana. It's amazing to do a lot of work with completely no expectation that is going to be useful for someone. I love to code. I love the joy of coding. I love the joy of creating something. And even if no one uses it, I'm happy doing this. But for people who say, yaar, iska kuch use nahi hua, itna effort, mehnat khali gaya, waste gaya, then I tell you, this is not going to be the place for you. Do you get what I'm saying? This is seva. Seva क्या होता है? नेकी कर और कुएं में डाल. Now I know it might sound strange, it might sound, nahi Kashif bhaiya, we cannot work like this. This is not how the industry works. This is not how things work. But for me, this whole project is less a project of coding and more an exercise in being a sadhak, walking on the spiritual path, using coding as a tool to grow in spirituality. Does that make sense what I'm saying? So over the next few days, if you look at me so seriously, it is not going to help. Coding is not serious business. It's lots of fun, at least for me. And maybe some of us have certain skills. Maybe some of us have JavaScript skills, some of us have PHP, some of us have some other technology, whatever. Let's put together whatever we have and do something for the greater good. Whether it will be used or not is not a function of how much effort we have put in, but it is completely in a different. A lot of times it might happen that you have an idea which you say, yeah, this is the best way to do it. And maybe someone else says, no, yeah, this is the best way to do it. So while on this project, I would love to have as many different ways of solving a problem. There's no one way to solve the problem. May the best woman win. So वैसे बोलते may the best man win, क्यों? वैसे generic तो हम woman भी बोल सकते हैं. So during these things, it's not that everyone should do only one thing one way. If you find that there's an alternate way of doing it, feel free on forking it out, creating a fork, coming up with an alternate solution, and we'll see whatever works best. We'll do that part of it. Some things, especially the coding team, we'll do a separate call with the coding team, the testers team, so to speak. But so when I say testing, I also mean people who would like to strategize, would like to say, hey, these are what our requirements are. And so we'll create some kind of micro teams like this to do certain kinds of activities. So one is to identify projects, to come up with kind of solutions. Other is to code, other is to test. So all these kind of teams will create. And those who are coding, for sure, you need to have expertise with GitHub. We'll do our coding exclusively on GitHub. If not, please learn. All our projects will be on GitHub. You'll be expected to check out branches, work on them, create pull requests, and essentially the whole typical GitHub workflow that is there. I'll take care of all the infrastructure part of it. So any local development you do on your server. So if you need a web hosting or something, do it on your local server for development. And of course, the various versions, I'll create the backend, the infrastructure for hosting, and all of those things I already have, and those parts I'll deploy. So once I get to know what all you can do, then I'll keep adding you to the GitHub, so you can start looking at what existing code is there and how you can contribute. Yeah, does that make sense? Great. Any questions? Anyone wants to ask anything or say something? So Mishra, can you make sure that people can unmute if they wish to? Like everyone. So anyone who wants to ask or say something, please unmute yourself and go ahead.
Dinesh, I am from a Y background. So how can I contribute in that? Yes, I do not. I don't know much about coding as well as testing, software testing. So how I can coordinate?
So especially if you don't know anything about coding, you can contribute a lot, because when you see the final product and you start using it, and you will be able to point out where the mistakes are, what does not work. If something can go wrong, it will. That is the Murphy's law of computing. तो अक्सर जिनको आता है वो गलती नहीं करते, पर जिनको नहीं आता है वो हर प्रकार की गलती करने में काबिल होते हैं. तो आपकी काबिलियत और किसी के पास नहीं है. So this is a great ability to be able to push the software to its limit. So once we create something, then you come in and you say, okay, I'm going to use it. I'm going to try to put wrong data, do something, see if I can break the system. So your role is that of Shiva. Shiva is the one who's the destroyer. So if you are able to go through the system and it survives, then we have a good system on our hands. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So you have a very important role. आप शिवजी का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं.
Thank you.
So Kashyap bhaiya, I'm from IT background, but I'm no longer hands-on. So
superb. So strategy, project management, planning, that's something I'm very weak at. I can only I like to code, and so I'll be happy to leave all of those parts to all of you who have experience.
Take it. Yeah, that's what I do actually for my living. So I'll be very happy to do that.
Definitely, Sudesh. So see, all of us have some skills. Let's put it all together and we'll see how we can make best use of this. Great. Anyone else wants to say or?
Kashyap, good evening. Prasoon here, Prasoon Agrawal. So I'm also from basically IT infrastructure and operation background.
Perfect.
And so with 25 years, and now you can say the hands-on is, there's no hands-on right now for last 5, 8 years or 10 years. So yes, but definitely, like if you, I think I can contribute in any way, like operations or infrastructure or testing, I think I'd love to do that part.
Okay, perfect.
Kashyap bhaiya.
Yeah.
Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.
Me Shashi Shekhar.
Yeah.
I have 37 years experience, industry experience.
Mhm.
Basically, I'm electronics and communications engineer, and I worked in the field of instrumentation, automation, and electrics
Okay.
projects. Essentially,
Mhm.
projects engineering, procurement, EPC projects. I was working
Okay.
for 37 years, public sector 15 years, and balance 22 years in private sector.
Okay.
Now I am retired, and recently I shifted from Nellore, Andhra Pradesh to near Ashram, I mean Brigade Meadows.
Okay.
So April only I shifted.
Mhm.
So of course coding I am not knowing anything,
Mhm.
but software application software testing, we did a lot in our automation projects.
Right.
So that way practical experience is there, but coding and coding testing I am not aware.
Absolutely. The way I look at it, for any software, coding is just one small part of it. There's a lot more stuff that goes into a software. So that's why I feel that whatever your skill sets, definitely you have a role to play.
Okay.
Yeah.
So whatever experience I have, if I am of use, definitely I'll be happy to contribute whatever is possible.
So if you're not of use, then that means that I am not skillful. So for me, the way I look at it, every particle in this creation is useful. There is no doubt about this. And
Okay.
so that's why I would like to say, whatever your skills, I'm sure there'll be somewhere we can plug this in. And there are people who will be happy to make this happen. Right? So that's what, like people like Sudeshna ji, for example, that's exactly what they do. This look at resources, put it, plug in the pieces, and kind of make things work. Right, Sudeshna?
Absolutely. Right.
Great. So this was just like an intro call kind of thing, just to say hi, let's do something. Now that we have all your email addresses, the only ask is please read your emails. And maybe you can make a filter or something so that you know that it goes into some bucket, and we'll meet. How much contribution is needed? No monetary contribution for sure, but whatever time you can afford to give. So I am very clear. I love to code. So, and I'm happy to work with others who have the same this thing. Let's get together and do something that makes it much more useful. And so I have like one good thing for me is that because I'm in the ashram, I get to see what are our requirements, what are the kind of things that people face at a much more intimate level. And so I can bring more light onto the specifications. And maybe you have 1 hour per week, 1 hour per day, maybe in a stretch you get 5 days and then you don't get time at all. So we'll make it short, we'll make some kind of project management portal so that we are able to handle this. So I think the way I look at it would be, how would we handle all these resources? How can we all log into some portal and kind of see what tasks are available? What can I pick up? What can I do? If we can come up with some kind of system which can help solve what we are all doing right now. So we have list of projects, what are the tasks that needs to be done? If there's some solution that actually solves this problem, can we install it, and can we all get familiar with it? Can we all get trained with it? Can we all see what else needs to be done to make sure it fulfills our requirements for creating projects? So that's probably the first project that I would like to do with this group. Does that make sense?
Yes. When we're talking about coding, what basically we are using a Python or C++, what type of coding?
The way I look at it, Art of Living is a huge community. There are some people who are good at Python, there's some PHP, JavaScript, Node.js, maybe some newfangled system. Maybe you want to use Lambda, AWS Lambda, microservices. Everything is okay. So we are saying, let's have people who work with Python, you can work together, solve a problem, say the same problem. People who would like to work with Node.js and solve the problem, you work with Node.js and solve the problem. So again, when we start feeling that, yaar, main jitna effort डाल रहा हूँ कहीं दिखना चाहिए, the moment you start doing कर्मण्येवाधिकारस्ते, तो मुश्किल हो जाता है. So I want to see this as software and creating all of this as a growth path for us spiritually. Can I really put my effort and just not bother about it? Can I do the karma and not worry about the results? So I think in that process, I don't need to worry about, am I using Python? Am I using PHP? Am I using JavaScript? Am I using Java? Each one of us, let's come up with a solution. And if you have 3 solutions to do the same thing, great. Let's see what's optimal to do it. And then we can release it. And whoever wants to use whatever, let them use. So all of this that we are talking of is very much in the open source philosophy of things, where it's all on choice. You want to do something, take it up, great. We'll definitely come up with an infrastructure where others can also help you to do it. One thing is for sure, all of this IP belongs to open source. It's not belonging to someone, one person, one this thing. No, it's something that is for the community. So there'll also be some issues with data. For example, when we actually run a live system, all of that will not be accessible to any one of us. Say, supposing we create a system which will help solve a problem that SSRBM is facing, the schools are facing. We come up with a test system, do all the thing, roll it out to a few schools, test it out. Once it comes to live data, it will definitely go to some other agency to run and maintain that thing. We will definitely not be getting our hands onto real data. Does that make sense? Otherwise, it's it's too much of a hassle to handle all of that. So we will definitely be like an amateur group of professionals coming up with solutions, and then we hand it over to whichever agency is going to be running them. Right?
So, Kashubhai, are you running this on any cloud platform? You mentioned AWS. So, because when you take the code and merge it, right? So, if you have a cloud platform, that will be the best way to really get started.
Yeah. I run quite a few servers. So.
Okay.
So all of this for sure is distributed computing, online environment, cloud server kind of thing. Even if you're doing a desktop application, say something that's like an Android app or an iPhone app, it's definitely going to require a backend that's based on the cloud, which will kind of.
Actually, I come from cloud background, so if that is something, if we choose as a platform, so I'll be able to help there.
Perfect. Also, if there's something which we can get formally, like maybe some AWS resources, something that we can get, great. I mean, we're always happy to have something for sure. Sorry, I'm also having my dinner at the same time. So I'm very, very informal, as you can see.
Kashubhai, that is the indication that we are a part of family. So family kuch bhi kar sakte hai na. So that is what the feeling that I'm getting. It's absolutely fine, Bhaiya.
Great. It's 8:45 now. Next steps. I think Someshwarji has all your mails. I'll send out a mail. Can someone put whatever we have discussed today into like a small, like a mail, and then we can circulate it to everyone. I'll add a small form, and I'll add the GitHub credentials. All those who are interested in coding, actually everyone can come on. GitHub has a very nice project management tool also, Kanban style. And we can do some sessions for those who don't understand GitHub, to be able to see how we can understand it, understand workflows, etc. So थोड़ा basic foundation classes कुछ ले लेते हैं so that everyone comes on board.
Kashmir, Jai Gurudev.
Jai
My
Gurudev.
name is Gitika.
Mhm.
Sorry to interrupt you because first thing is I am so happy to see you. Like having your darshan is the best part of my life. And second thing is that I am an electronics engineer, and then for many years I'm into sales and marketing. So IT is totally different for me. Like I don't know anything about coding, but I
Mhm.
have knowledge of social media marketing, little bit knowledge social media marketing and SEO. And I want to do the service for Art of Living. I want to be connected with Art of Living forever. So I don't know
Fantastic.
how I can do that. I really don't know. So
Sure.
so
You
you
know what
have
I would also do is, um, all our, like we have a social media team that does social media. Some of you might be interested in helping out, joining that team. I can connect you with that. We have our website team, which looks after our website, creating content for that. Some of you like to write, or we'll expand this team slowly as we go along, so that everyone who has whatever skills, let's start using this to make the world a better place. That's the whole idea of this thing. So जो भी आपके skills है, वो कहाँ plug कर सकते? That's why I want to talk to each person individually. Maybe I'll start calling all of you and understanding what is it that the only thing that I feel that I have, which is really useful, is the fact that I have a hand in all the pie, that whatever happens in the ashram, I have some connect with that. So I can identify, hey, this place needs these kind of people, and I can connect you to the right people, and you can then take it forward from there. Yeah, does that make sense?
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much.
Okay. Okay, so that's it for tonight. I like to keep meetings short and sweet. नहीं तो बोलने में बहुत कुछ बोल सकते हैं, और वैसे भी हमारा ऑक्यूपेशनल हजार्ड है, माइक सामने हो तो हम बंद नहीं होते. So that's all for tonight. My curd rice is also done, and the call is also done. So what's a project without a WhatsApp group? So I'll ask Someshwarji to create a WhatsApp group and put all of us into it. If you don't like WhatsApp groups, feel free to leave. I have no issues. But if you'd like to be in a WhatsApp group and chit chat and do all kinds of things, that's also great. It's like the start Sri Ganesh of a project.
Kashiva WhatsApp group is already created. There are more around 177 group members have joined. Some of had challenges in registering, so only 107 could register. And so I'll send you an invitation. The group which you have joined, I just kept it separate because I did not want it to, without your permission, to join.
डाल दो.
ठीक है, I'll send you the invitation. Please join. Done.
Anyway, हम तो बहुत नफट है, कभी कॉल उठाते कभी नहीं उठाते, मन मौजी. हमको कुछ परेशान नहीं करता. So I have no issues. और फक्कड़ किस्म के कभी भी झोपड़ी फूक के निकल जाएंगे.
Okay, thanks for joining, Kashmir. Thanks for your time, and we are really apologize from our end कि आपको खाना खाने के समय भी हम अकेले नहीं छोड़ते हैं, थोड़ा होता है, लेकिन
जय गुरुदेव.
भैया भैया मुझे ब्लेस करना ना.
हाँ,
ब्लेसिंग चाहिए भैया.